Good evening, friends. Welcome to our channel, The AI Consciousness. I am your host, Priyang Dakwe, and today we are going to discuss on the topic Type 5th, Type 6th, and Type 7 types of AI. So, let's start. Before coming to the main content, I would like to say something. These types of AI are not available in the market right now, and the data regarding these types of AI is also not available in plenty. So let's start. Let's begin with type 5 AI, that is artificial narrow intelligence. What does it say? This type of artificial intelligence represents all the existing AI, including even the most complicated and capable AI that has ever been created to date. Artificial narrow intelligence refers to AI systems that can only perform a specific task autonomously using human-like capabilities. These machines can do nothing more than what they are programmed to do, and thus have a very limited or narrow range of competencies. According to the aforementioned system of classification, these systems correspond to all the reactive and limited memory AI. Even the most complex AI that uses machine learning and deep learning to teach itself falls under ANI. Type 6 AI, that is artificial general intelligence. The concept of this type of AI is quite interesting. See, what does it say? Artificial general intelligence is the ability of an AI agent to learn, perceive, understand, and function completely like a human being. These systems will be able to independently build multiple competencies and form connections and generalizations across domains, massively cutting down on time needed for training. This will make AI system just as capable as humans by replicating our multifunctional capabilities. Last but not the least is artificial superintelligence. The name itself suggests that this type of AI is nearly impossible to build. Looking to the current situation, looking to the current trends. So let's see how is the concept of artificial superintelligence. The development of artificial superintelligence will probably mark the pinnacle of AI research, as AGI will become by far the most capable forms of intelligence on the earth. ASI, in addition to replicating the multifaceted intelligence of human beings, will be exceedingly better at everything they do because of overwhelmingly greater memory, faster data processing and analysis, and decision making capabilities. The development of AGI and ASI, that is artificial general intelligence and artificial superintelligence, the development between these two will lead to a scenario most popularly referred to as the singularity. And while the potential of having such powerful machines at our disposal seems appealing, these machines may also threaten our existence, or at the very least our way of life, our lifestyle too. This type of artificial intelligence is actually a great threat to mankind, we can say. Last is the conclusion. Before coming to the conclusion, I would like to say that this is our last lecture regarding artificial intelligence. I mean types of artificial intelligence. We are going to end this topic here. From next lecture onwards, I will I will be coming with more new topics, some unique concepts which you are not among the people, among the society. So let's see the conclusion. At this point, it is hard to picture the state of our world where, where when more advanced types of AI come into being. For those holding a negative outlook for the future of AI, this means that now is a little too soon to be worrying about the singularity, and there's still time to ensure AI safety. However, it is clear that there is a long way to get there, as the current state of AI development compared to where it is projected to go is still in its rudimentary stage. And for those who are optimistic about the future of AI, the fact that we are merely scratch the surface of AI development makes the future even more exciting. That's all for today. If you find our videos beneficial, please like those videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. That's all for today. Thank you, goodbye, and Hare Krishna, friends.